Faith Friends! This is Teacher Zed from Sunhill Developmental Education, your Gospel sharer for today. And our Gospel is from the book of Matthew, chapter 5, verses 27 to 32. Jesus delves into the deeper spiritual essence of the law, moving beyond mere adherence to the external rules to address matters of the heart. He talks about adultery, not just as a physical act, but also as a condition of the heart. From a personal reflection standpoint, these verses remind me of the importance of integrity and purity in all aspects of life. Jesus emphasizes that it's not enough to merely avoid the physical act of adultery. We must also guard our thoughts and desires. This challenges me to examine my own heart and intentions, ensuring they align with principles of love, respect, and fidelity. Moreover, Jesus' teachings on divorce in this passage highlight the sanctity and permanence of marriage. It's a reminder that relationships should be approached with commitment, humility, and selflessness. In a world where divorce rates are high and relationships are often treated as disposable, these words offer a timeless wisdom that encourages us to prioritize reconciliation and forgiveness. Overall, according to Matthew chapter 5 verses 27 to 32, prompts me to strive for purity of heart, integrity in relationships, and a deeper understanding of the spiritual dimensions of morality. It's a call to live with honesty, authenticity, and love in every aspect of life. That's all for my reflection. Don't forget to like and subscribe our Facebook page, YouTube channel. Download the Facebook apps or register at www.facebook.page. Keep God first!